Hey guys, welcome to this channel. Hope you all are safe and doing well. So guys, technically this is my first video because the earlier one was more about the introduction of this channel. So if you haven't watched that yet, then please watch it after watching this video. So guys, in this video I'm going to speak about one of the famous tourist attraction in Gujarat. Actually, it is nearby to Vadodara and it is very famous among Gujaratis. And not only Gujaratis, it is very famous among other Indian tourists as well. And it is very famous among international tourists as well. Yes guys, I am going to speak about Statue of Unity. So this Statue of Unity is actually a bronze statue of our India's first Home Minister, Mr. Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel. Public, it was opened on 1st November 2018, which you can say is like 1.5 years before. But the interesting part, guys, is that within 11 days after it was opened, more than 1,28,000 tourists visited there. Yes, guys. The most interesting part. Do you know that this Statue of Unity is the tallest statue in the world? Yes, it is of 182 meters height, which you can say twice of Statue of Liberty, and around 23 meters taller than this China's Spring Temple, which is of Buddha's statue. Isn't it great? And it is truly a pride of India. And guys, it is needless to say that this fact itself is enough to visit this place. But do you know what? This place offers you a lot more, which will definitely, I feel, which will pull you all towards itself to visit there. This statue has a viewing gallery at 153 meters. Imagine you are standing at such a height and you are having such a beautiful view. I mean, you are viewing dam, mountain ranges, because this statue actually is located between Satpura and Vindhyachal ranges. So imagine that view over there. It's really spectacular. And apart from this, there are other attractions as well, which is near to this place, which is really interesting and worth visiting, guys. Like, there is a valley of flowers there, which is actually a beautiful landscape garden. And you know what? You will find around hundreds of species of native flowers there, along with shrubs, bamboos, etc. And next to this valley of flowers, you will find a glow garden, which is actually illuminated in evening after sunset. This is really beautiful, guys. Now for the people who love safari and who are like wildlife adventure kind of people. So guys, for you also there is something. You can go for Sardar Patel Zoological Park and Safari. That is a home to the magnificent big cats, including Asiatic lion, leopards, Bengal tigers and many more. And also, if you are visiting this place along with your young kids, then there is Children Nutrition Park where children can play interactive games, and there are lots of other activities for the young children. These both are near to this Sardar Patel statue. It's not in the premises, it's near to this place. Guys, now I want to ask you about one thing. Means, how you find cactus? You must be wondering what I'm asking for. But no, honestly, I'm asking how you find cactus. Means, have you ever imagined that you will be fascinated towards cactus, or you will be attracted towards cactus? No, right? Yes, I was thinking the same. Means, what is great about cactus? But do you know, guys, this place has a cactus garden where you will find around 500 species of cactus. Isn't it surprisingly amazing? Also, there is a butterfly garden where you will find many species of butterfly, which is really beautiful. Also, there is a waterfall called Jarwani waterfall. Means, in short, I can say for all the age groups and for the all kinds of people, you will find something there which definitely will attract you towards this place. Apart from its fact that it is one of the tallest statue in the world. And guys, if you want to know more about our Iron Man of India and about his life, which we all must know, then you can visit Audio Visual Gallery there, which is within the statue premises. It's really informative, guys. And yes, don't forget to enjoy laser light and sound show, which is there in the evening. It's really interesting and amazing. And the most important, yes, the timing to visit this place. So the timing to visit this place is 9 a.m. to 5 p.m. from Tuesday to Sunday. Monday is actually closed there, so if you're planning to visit this place, then plan it accordingly. And yeah, apart from this, you can enjoy boating, helicopter rides, river rafting and all over there. And if you want to stay, then there is hotel facilities also available, so there is no problem about that. So I hope this place must have impressed you, and whenever you will plan to visit Gujarat, then definitely you will visit this place. So guys, I hope you have liked this video. If you have liked it, then please press the like button and subscribe to this channel, because next video I'll come up with one interesting temple in Gujarat. Yes, so stay tuned guys to this channel. Subscribe this channel so that you will get the notification. Again, thank you guys for watching this video, and also please share this video with your friends and family members, so that if they will plan their trip to Gujarat, then they will make sure to visit this place. So till then, bye guys, take care, and yes, wait for my next video for that interesting temple in Gujarat. Bye guys.